John Speweik at Speweik Preservation Consultants, and we're at the Downer Buildings here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, working with Able Restoration. It's pretty soft.
Yeah, not too bad.
Right now he's using the needle scaler to take out the mortar out of a butter joint. Yep.
Okay. How's a combination mix now?
Just do it with lime, Portland, like 4 buckets of sand or 5 buckets of sand each day. Dry mix it all up and then put it in.
I've done so much masonry on it. Fire and stuff up. Half inch.
Yeah, that's about 10% time credit. You want to talk about this. So everything's been cut out now and repointed, and Tracy's got this packed back in real nice. It's overfilled, so we're ready to scratch this back to the final cut finish now that the mortar's thumbprint hard. Do a few joints on your wall.
I'll go with that one.
Yeah, it was originally ruled, and they put a line through the center of the joint when they finished the joint. And how they did that was they put up a joint straight edge and then came in with a tool like this, which we just made on the site. We just fabricated this at the site, and they take this and they basically go down the center of the joint. So here's where we just finished the ruling of the joint that we just finished with this tool right here. We just came down the center of that joint and created the rule surface. This is the final step in the wall preparation. We've now cut back the joints to the joint finish profile. Now we actually are going to be putting it on the water and spraying down the joints to keep everything nice and wet as the mortar cures. We want the mortar to cure nice and slowly. You can see how fast this stone is sucking up the water. We want to keep that moisture in the mortar for the first 3 days after installation.